Hello dear student, myself Swati Putane. Welcome to grammar class. Today we are going to learn subject pronoun and object pronoun. Students, we already know that what is a naming words. Words which tell us the names of people, places, animals and things are called the naming words or noun. Today we learn how we use the pronouns instead of naming words. See here, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. We use this word in the place of naming word. We call these words subject pronoun. We also use me, you, him, her, it, us, them in the place of naming word. We call this word object pronoun. We use them, subject pronoun and object pronoun, when we talk about the same person or the thing many times. Here students, remember one thing, when we going to use the subject pronoun, we always use in the beginning of the sentence. And when we use the object pronoun, we use usually after the verb or preposition. Let us see some example. See. We use I when we speak about our own self. We also use me when we speak about our own self. Here, I and me, these both words we use when we speak about our own self. Here you can see in the example, I likes gift. Sam gave me a gift. Here I we use as a subject pronoun. Remember that when we going to use the subject pronoun, it's come always in beginning in the sentence. Okay, you can see in the second sentence, Sam gave me a gift. Here me is come after the verb. We use you when we speak to another person. We also use you when we speak to more than one person. See the example. Are you boys listening to me? You can win the match. In the first sentence, you see the you word is using as a object pronoun. Okay. And in second sentence, you see you word is a use as a subject pronoun. It means you, this word you can use as a subject pronoun also and as a object pronoun also. In both way you can use that word. In first sentence you can see, are you boys listening to me? To me. Here after preposition me is come there. Okay. So remember that one thing. Subject pronoun we always use in the beginning of the sentence, and object pronoun we use usually after the verb or preposition. We use he when we speak about a boy or a man. We also use him when we speak about one boy or one man. Here you can see he or him. These both words we use for a boy or a man. Yes, students, but here he we use as a subject pronoun and him we use as a object pronoun. Let us see the example. He is a doctor. Here he is always come in the beginning of the sentence because he is a subject pronoun. See the next example, next sentence. The big house belongs to him. Here after preposition what come? Him. Him is a object pronoun. So remember that subject pronoun is come in the beginning of the sentence, and object pronoun is come after the verb or preposition. See, we use she when we speak about a girl or a woman. We also use her when we speak about one girl or one woman. Here, students, she or her, these both words we use for a girl or a woman, means single girl or single woman. Okay, but here she we use as a subject pronoun and her we use as a object pronoun. See, in this sentence, she is my friend. That is her school bag. So she is a subject pronoun. That's why it's beginning in the sentence, and her is a object pronoun. That's why it's come after verb. Okay. Here, students, we use it when we speak about one animal, place, or thing. Here, students, remember that it we use for the one animal, place, or thing, and it we use as a subject pronoun also and as a object pronoun also. You can see in the example, it is a beautiful place, you will like it. Here, in a both way, you can see how to use it as a subject pronoun and as a object pronoun. Here, we use we when we are more than one boy, girl, man, or woman. We also use us when we are more than one boy, girl, man, or woman. Here, students, we and us. These both words we use for more than one boy, girl, man, or woman. Okay. So remember that we use and us. These both words we using for the more than persons, boy, girl, man, or woman. Okay. See the example. The doctor treat us when we fall ill. Here, us is used as an object pronoun, and you can see we use here as a subject pronoun. Here, this is a separate sentence. The doctor treats us. That is the first sentence, and we fall ill. That is the second sentence. That both sentence join with when word. Okay. So here, us is what? Us is a object pronoun, and we is a subject pronoun. Here, we use they when we speak about more than one person, animal, or thing. We also use them when we speak about more than one person, animal, or thing. Students, here they and them, these both words, remember, they and them, this both word is used for the more than one person, animal, or thing. But here they we use as a subject pronoun and them we use as a object pronoun. Remember that subject pronoun is come always in the beginning of the sentence, and object pronoun is usually come after verb or preposition. You can see in the example, they are my friends, give them one mango each. Here in the first sentence they come as a subject pronoun, and second sentence of the verb them is come as a object pronoun. Okay. Now students, we are going to solve some example. Match the columns. One has been done for you. You can see here. Harris and I. That is joined with we. Why they joined with we? Because Harris and I. You include yourself in that. That's why we use we here. You include your own self in we. So we joined Harris and I with we. Here next question, Kavita. Kavita is what? Kavita is a girl. So what we use for the girl? She. We use she word for the girl. So we joined Kavita with the she pronoun. Okay. See here, aunt and uncle. Aunt and uncle, that is another person and that is a more than one. So that's why we joined with the they pronoun. So let us match. Okay. C D brother. Brother is what? Brother is a boy. So what we use for the boy? We use he. He pronoun we use for the boy. So we later joined it. Okay. See the next last house. House we joined with it because it we use for the animals or thing. So later joined with it. Okay. Now we going to solve the next question. Replace the underlined words with the he, she, it, we, him and rewrite each sentence. Here one has been done for you. This first example. Pritam is playing the guitar. Here Pritam is what? Pritam is a boy. And for the boy, which pronoun we use? He. That's why here you can see he is playing the guitar. This sentence. Okay. See the next question. A kite is flying in the sky. A kite is a thing, and which pronoun we use for the thing? It. That's why we use it is flying in the sky. You can see the C number question. The house is big and red. The house also what? The house is also thing. That's why we again use here it. It is big and red. Okay. See the D. Sunita goes to school by bus. Sunita is a girl, and for the girl, which pronoun we use? Yes, we use she. So what we write here? She goes to school by bus. See the last question, students. I told Nishan that Amit and I are good friends. Yes, students, you can see the I is using as a subject pronoun, that is the beginning in the sentence. And after told, Nishant is a boy. Here, after verb, what we use? We use object pronoun, no? So here, for the boys, which pronoun we use? Him. Here it is, we use the object pronoun him. Okay. That is the first sentence I told Nishan, and that Amit and I are good friends. Here it is a that is joined with the this both sentence. So here Amit and I is a beginning of the sentence. Okay, that is the subject pronoun Amit and I. So instead of Amit and I, what we use here? We can use here we word. Okay. Why we use we? Because you include your own self also I. That's why we use here we pronoun. Okay. So answer is here. I told him that we are good friends. Okay. See the next question. Fill in the blanks. Choose the correct word from the bracket. Here you can see in the bracket some words are given. Gaurav gave dash a present. You choose the correct word from the bracket. Here after verb we write always object pronoun. So what we write here? Me. Okay. So answer is here me. Gaurav gave me a present. C. Dash will go to watch a movie. Here you can see in the bracket we and us. And what we write in the beginning of the sentence? Subject pronoun. And we is a subject pronoun. So we write here we. C. C number. all of dash like to read books. Here after preposition what we write? We write the object pronoun, and in the bracket here us is a object pronoun, so we write here us. All of us like to read books. Here D number, Rohan helped dash. Always remember that after verb we write the object pronoun, so we write here them. See the last question. Priya gave dash a ball. So after verb again come here object pronoun him. So students, remember that when we use the subject pronoun, that's always right in the beginning of the sentence, and when we want to use the object pronoun, you use after the verb or preposition. So remember the all subject pronoun and object pronoun. I hope you all of you understand this list.